Alright, well, we got a couple of things going on tonight.
My butthole. Really?
Oh, shit. Hold on!
Here, you.
Yeah, so we found these fuckers at, where did we find them?
Pick and pull.
We found them at Pick and Pull off another 01 Miata. So that's pretty cool. Except we got another issue. Clutch will not hold pressure, which sucks.
Sounds like it's not coming in clutch.
It's not coming in clutch, Matt. It's not coming in clutch. Clutch won't hold pressure, so we're gonna replace the master cylinder, the slave, and one of the lines. Right there, actually, there's only one line.
I still don't get why we're replacing Robert.
We should replace Robert, and instead of .3, we're going with .4 because why not?
Robert, do you get my joke?
Higher boiling point.
Robert, do you get my joke?
Yeah, what are you doing out here?
Get out of my house.
Get out of my house. Alright, well, we're gonna jack this thing up, and then we'll get right back to y'all. Right, Robert?
Yeah.
Right, Matt?
Get it back in like 5 hours.
Alrighty, y'all, so we got it jacked up. Robert and Matt. Robert and Matt. Matt's gonna start on the rear shocks without.
Oh wait, no, it is shocks.
Coils, shocks.
Yeah, they're shocks for now.
They're gonna be shocks.
God damn, this shit's light.
Anyways, I'm gonna start on the master cylinder or the slave cylinder, whichever one I choose. Robert and Matt are gonna be.
Alright, I need you to step on their brake.
I gotta put gloves on. My shit's dirty.
We're gonna step on the brake because Robert can't
break.
brake.
Thick gloves, the thin ones are in there.
Alright, so we'll get right back to y'all.
Already fucking disconnected.
I started on some cars for him.
Dude, I worked on my own car.
You put a filter on a car.
It didn't even stay on it. They fell off.
Yeah.
More than one time.
Okay, but
More than one time.
it's on it now.
And one time.
It's been on there for months. It's been on there for months, bro.
Hey, but still fell off.
Or don't press the clutch.
Okay.
Does he know what the clutch is?
Damn. I have 2 of them. Fuck off.
Robert,
Warren, press the clutch.
what? Use your cold bolt out. I'm gonna step on it. I think it's
Sick.
Auto vault right here.
Auto vault, sponsor auto vault.
All right, hold this. There you go. Oh, that booty. Shaky bitch.
Be smarter than that.
You have to put the top hold out.
I'm fucking on Gabby, bitch.
Whoa, language. This is family friendly. Is it? Fuck no. Alright, I got the light going. So we just got the front to get rid of on this right side. And then this back right side is in, lightweight.
It is in.
It's almost there.
It's done.
Oh. It's done?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
You guys already behind it?
Cool. And back left one's in.
Huh? Finish the top. Yeah.
And front left one's in. Nothing's torqued, of course, because we're not professionals. But we don't give a shit.
So we're basically done. I'm so happy after that.
This fucking Genesis
Next
didn't
video,
torque it.
Genesis is broken down.
Snapped off. That's what's gonna be.
Was found.
User error.
At least I know how to put them on the car.
I do too. I literally just did that.
If y'all yell again,
You were sitting on the fucking ground doing some other shit, and I was over there in the back corner with Matt and your brother. Bro, I did more than that.
I did all the work.
Hey, do not just try to take fucking credit off me right here.
I did all the work.
No. No. Bro, and I lifted it up and shit, and I kicked it out and all that shit. I did so much work right there. Fuck that. Fucking knows. Really, honestly, who saw what happened?
The next episode.
The battery died. Shit went
This is such a
down.
dumbass idea.
Godheads.
Who fucking thought of this?
You?
Oh yeah.
This is not a good idea. At all.
Dude, but if this works.
If it doesn't work, then we're all getting plastic to the face. And no one's got glasses on.
We're legit standing on the other side of the car. Shut the fuck up.
Just a little bit.
Or just turn around.
I'm backing up.
I want to lower it.
No, not yet. We still have more zip ties.
Hey, bro, wait.
Can't get hurt. Only by women. Fuck. Why you gotta get some?
Oh my gosh.
It's cool.
Perfect.
Look how tight this is.
Keep
Perfect.
pumping.
Yeah. So
I don't know about one.
I have a
So it was the
left.
master, not the
So
slave.
like, as soon as I'm done with
It was
this,
the master.
it's not gonna be one.
That's
now.
what she said.
We're almost done. We're on the last
Dude,
coil.
I can't see with
Maxed
this.
out a little past one to just finish this up real quick.
Do you have a curfew? Are you somebody's child?
A curfew?
I mean, it wasn't gonna,
Come at me, my Canadian ass,
I wasn't gonna. Yeah, I am. Warren, why are you so close?
Bro, this is not gonna work.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm scared.
Go, bitch.
It's not even ripping them off.
Yo, did this work?
I don't want to look.
Pull that bitch out before it comes out. Pull
Someone has to get in
Pull
there.
it out,
Hey, Matt, put the Matt, put the glasses on.
Matt, pull that shit off.
That shit's still stuck. Wait, it didn't even
kick
snap.
it.
It just moved. Stand on it.
No! That's how you break shit. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Hey, it's not. The springs aren't even compressed at all, bruh. The springs aren't even compressed at all.
Warren, your zip ties aren't even tight.
No, they were tight. They just got ripped open, bro.
Polyethylene plastic.
That just broke.
What broke?
Don't fucking call.
Can I have that? I kind of want those on my face.
Compressed it more by lifting
Your
it up
relationship?
higher. Jesus. God damn.
I'm not pointing fingers, but
This wasn't even fucking on.
Why are you looking at me for? I do not condone this at all.
alright.
Holy fuck.
He's jacking up so hot.
You're going. You're talking on the ground now. Just get to the other side really fast.
Holy
Oh my god.
Fucking dumb.
fucking dog. Fuck the paint. Who needs it?
Think about it.
Fucking lower that bitch.
Oh my
Holy
god, dude,
fuck.
it's dumb.
Fuck. Holy fuck.
Really? Bro, my tires sit higher than
Holy fuck.
Dude, that's ridiculously low.
Hell yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Wait, you be able to turn?
He's got room to turn.
Dude, he's dumb.
Fuck.
Dude, he might actually rub on this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's dumb.
Dude, his bumper's on the ground. Really, you're not making it out of my.
You're not getting out, bro.
Oh my.
What's scraping?
His whole car. The bumper, the side skirts,
Everything.
everything is. Dude, you gotta crank it.
Fucking joking.
Whitley, how do you feel to be dumped, bro?
Get over speed bumps.
I don't know. Yeah, there's no such thing. You cannot go over a speed bump.
Fuck.
You cannot.
Well, I guess Willie's never.
Is that because I put it on soft or no?
No.
No.
It's just because
you're fucking-
whoever had this on the Miata before them, that's how low he was riding.
I wasn't even looking at him.
You ran from a cop?
Guess. Wait, so did a cop see you, or you seen one and dipped?
Oh, we getting shitty. Oh yeah, quick getaway. Need for fuck yeah. Oh fuck yeah, we getting shitty.